What is a motion for contempt in New York family law? When your co-parent refuses to follow a court-ordered custody or visitation schedule, you may feel powerless to protect your parenting rights. A motion for contempt provides parents with a legal tool to ask Manhattan courts to address violations of custody and visitation orders. This legal mechanism becomes essential when repeated denials of parenting time or deliberate disregard of court orders threaten your relationship with your child. New York law recognizes two distinct categories of contempt that carry different standards and consequences for violating parents. Civil contempt under Judiciary Law Section 753 focuses on protecting your rights and compelling future compliance with existing orders. Criminal contempt under Judiciary Law Section 750 punishes past willful disobedience and requires proof beyond a reasonable doubt. The civil contempt standard requires clear and convincing evidence, while criminal contempt carries the higher burden used in criminal cases. To file a successful motion for contempt, you must prove that a valid court order exists with clear and specific requirements. The violating parent must have known about the order and disobeyed it in a way that prejudiced your court-ordered rights. Common violations include repeatedly refusing scheduled parenting time, blocking communication, or relocating without proper notice or permission. Courts examine whether violations are isolated incidents or part of a broader pattern of deliberate noncompliance with custody orders. A single late pickup may not warrant contempt, but consistently denying visitation or making false abuse allegations often will. The attorney can help you gather evidence, document violations, and determine whether contempt or other enforcement mechanisms best serve your situation. Manhattan family courts have the power to impose various remedies, including make-up parenting time, attorney fees, and even incarceration in severe cases. Understanding the difference between civil and criminal contempt helps parents choose the most effective legal strategy for their specific circumstances. When your co-parent ignores court orders, taking swift legal action protects both your parental rights and your child's best interests. Contact Law Office of Richard Roman Shum, ESQ at 646, 259, 3416, located at 20, Clinton Street, Front 5D, New York, 10002, to discuss your contempt case today.